ice cream cap is a sensitive enzyme immunoassay for the detection of chloramphenicol in food samples. The kit contains all the reagents to run 96 determinations, including standards. The kit has been validated on urine, water, serum, plasma, milk, yogurt, honey, eggs, tissue, and seafood. A performance data sheet is available upon request with in-house validation results. For honey, dilute the sample in water and warm for a few minutes. Then extract in ethyl acetate by shaking. To separate the organic phase containing the analyte from water, centrifuge the sample for a few minutes. Pipette the upper clear phase into a glass tube and evaporate under a stream of nitrogen or air. Dissolve the dried residue with the buffer and vortex. Label your extracts and predispose the assay layout. Use 2 wells for each standard and sample. The enzyme conjugate must be diluted in adequate amount for the experiment, considering a little excess. Protect the conjugate from direct light using a dark bottle or a cover. Prepare the necessary wells for the session. Mark the strips and take note of the positions of each standard and reagent. Reseal the unused strips in the bag with desiccant. Add 50 microliters of each standard in the correspondent wells. Use single disposable tip for each solution. Pipette the sample extracts as well. Add 50 microliters of diluted enzyme conjugate in each well and then 100 microliters of antibody. Incubate the assay for 30 minutes at room temperature. Do not shake the plate during the incubation. In the meantime, prepare an adequate amount of washing buffer by diluting the concentrate reagent provided in the kit. For routine analysis, you can prepare a bulk. The diluted washing buffer is stable at room temperature for 1 day and for 2 weeks if stored in fridge. At the end of the incubation, pour the liquid out from wells and fill with washing buffer using a squeeze bottle. Pour the liquid out and repeat the sequence 4 times. Remove the remaining droplets by tapping the microplate upside down vigorously against absorbent paper. Add 200 microliters of developing solution in each well. The solution is colorless and must be protected from direct light. Incubate the assay for 15 minutes at room temperature. Add 50 microliters of stop solution in each well. Gently shake the plate for a few seconds. Measure the absorbances at 450 nanometers within 30 minutes. Download from our website the dedicated spreadsheet. Copy the absorbances measured for each standard in the upper part of the Excel, and those of the samples in the dedicated table. Concentrations are automatically calculated taking into account the sample dilution factor.